What's up, guys? Stayed by the Chris at the junkyard. He just got kicked out.
Yeah.
I was saying, man, I think he can drive up to the car that you're gonna take parts from and ask the guy over there, brother, can park here. But I was like, oh, gotta park outside. So if you guys didn't know, if you guys don't follow Chris, he just bought a Foreigner, and now he's trying to get parts for it. So we're at the junkyard. But this guy Robo, he not even drive him.
Yeah, he's not ready for be seen yet. He's not ready for be seen.
Di post yun naman yung Instagram reel.
Not even. That was only a glimpse.
Hey.
They don't know what we're doing, dog. They don't know what we're gonna do.
Yes, let me tell you what he gonna do. He gonna park by our fire hydrant. 2 piece.
Nah. We don't.
It's not even 5 feet. Yeah. This is what he need. And this is the Foreigner that he just got.
Think she gonna work?
Yeah. Hey, that's how the thing's supposed to look like.
Well, it doesn't look like that though.
Watch when we show his Foreigner.
Yeah.
The motor look different though. Motor look different. Got a Foreigner over there. What, bring down that one?
Yeah.
Set up one ladder.
Fuck.
Success. He didn't bring down the car for him. From up there. 3.4 motor. Yeah, look like your motor.
Oh, I think it's success.
Ah.
Oh, it's different, killer. It's just not the same.
You just didn't waste the guy's time.
Not the same, bro.
I think gotta be the other front end kind.
The which one though with the stuff, yo?
The one with the bumper cap. Huh?
It's not the same.
That's not the same. This guy just didn't waste the guy's time with the forklift.
I'm gonna give it a rip.
No, you gotta buy him because you made him bring him down for you.
Sorry, my brother. But let me put this back for you. Aye, sauce. You wanna work for one, bro?
Yeah? So dumb. Get him right there. On the ground. But you don't like buy him because that thing's dirty. Just throw him in the washing machine. Good work. Guaranteed. Where is it?
You want clip?
What clip?
I mean, for my bulb, the socket, the connector. This thing fit.
Yeah, you got what he wanted.
Yeah, but Sam said just walk out. He said just walk, just keep walking, don't look back, he said.
You got what he wanted?
Yeah, just try for check. I'm gonna turn this way, dog.
Make like. Where are you going now?
Couple leg.
Why?
We're gonna look for more parts.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh, the seatbelt first, dog. Safety
Oh, this guy trying to get me in trouble.
first. I'm the driver. Safety first, bro.
This guy make any kind, dog. I'll call the cops.
Call the police.
Somebody call the police, cause this guy's embarrassing us.
Quotation marks, Jimbo.
What?
Let's go, bro.
Where you
We're on a
going?
mission, dog. I get half tank. We can go around the island like 4 times today.
4 times.
Yeah.
Just got a kind already.
Oh my god. I see my detail.
Where?
Whoa!
We're not going nowhere. We're not going nowhere, dog. Barely even catch up to this truck over here.
Go. Show him the piers, dog. Show him over here.
Chris like show you the piers. What you gonna show him over here?
We get Toyota over here.
Where?
Toyota right here. Nah, I ain't think that's Toyota.
That's not even Toyotas.
No, it is Toyotas.
Boy, weird.
Toyotas, dog. Get the Sand Island waste treatment over here. My boss said we gonna work here, but I don't know yet. But
Hey, watch your videos, you know.
bro,
Yeah.
cut that off.
Round 2.
Cash for car. Actually, nah, I think you gotta walk in, my guy.
I don't know, but this guy gonna try again for drive up inside. Reversing for the second time today.
I'm gonna pop over here. He said,
He didn't say nothing. He didn't try out fully yet. Let's try it. Oh, you don't like it? Bust it again, so yeah. You don't
can I
like?
park in front of this fucker?
You don't like get your feelings hurt again, huh?
Can I
Yeah.
Take your mouth.
He doesn't want his feelings to get hurt again.
See, I had to go to, that's where I go to work.
Hey, Goro.
Hey, go to. You see all your trucks over here, man? Can we get some cement? What's up, bro?
Curve the rims.
Oh, baby.
Then shut them down. They told us to get out. They told Chris, oh no, come over here.
Oh, God, a band, bro. They say you the guy that's sticking all the pots on and throwing them on the road.
Nah, there's like, oh, now you know you're the guy who like waste people's time, bringing down cars from the high places, and he ain't take no parts.
Where did I go first? To the right.
Dude, surprise me.
What's that junkyard? What happened? Stop.
Car to slam.
Look over you, though.
Round 3 reverse. Guy got mad at him again.
Score killer.
Alright there, dog. This is a free section over here. It's the cars stay parked outside. Huh? Yeah, you need the new one.
No, it's not.
No, it's the old one, huh? Oh yeah, it's the old one.
Or is this the scene? The signal light.
Yeah, that's a signal.
The corner, actually.
Oh yeah, the corner.
Is it the scene?
Huh?
Is it the scene?
As the one you need? Oh, G35 smash. Anybody want to come on bed cover?
That looks smart wire.
What? You got both of them?
Yeah. Can you check it out?
Boy, FRS. Here, there, cover photo, dog. What? Here's the more 5-speed 3.4 trans.
probably get, dog.
What?
On 5 speed. Go by. I'm gonna walk over there.
Hey, you guys know what would be fun? Play hide and go seek over here. Where you stay? Oh, I lost them already. Chris! Oh. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I stay looking for one short brother. I lost him somewhere over here. But yeah, if you guys see one short brother, let me know. I don't know where he went. Oh, cause. There, Toyota VVTi V6 24 volts Cherry. Right there, dog. No, extra cab. 5 speed, 4-wheel drive. Get all the 4-wheel drive components. If you guys get a 3.0 truck or 4Runner, trying to convert to 4-wheel drive plus 5 speed. What you doing, dog? Huh? You making any kind again? Oh, my bad.
Yeah, check, come on. Check out all the stuff. Ah, this is not. Dirty deals, bro.
What was that? Like the 3rd junkyard already?
3rd. One more for go too. No, we're robbing somebody's 4Runner. Just kidding. Fuck, shitty deals, dog.
Told you, Amazon already.
Nah, it's okay. We're gonna try to use those ones.
You already know where we stay. Where we headed. To the port. Seeing if to get pots over there.
I was gonna let Uncle leave, but he don't let me go.
Nah, he humble. Nah, he like finish his cigarette before he cross. For the wind blow him out.
Where we at, boys? Check them out. Where we stay?
ABC.
You're on ABC. You're gonna ramble a little bit. Yes,
a little bit?
A little bit.
Only?
Only.
How's about we ramble a lot of bit?
Yeah, Roger, let's fucking.
Yeah, why you breaking?
I'm not breaking. Oh shit! Oh, you fucker!
The guy, yeah, you crashed into something. You have to buy parts for this instead.
No.
Hey, overtake this guy right now.
Hey, my boy, you gotta hurry up, cause you trying to get parts over here.
There's plenty of room in the trees over there.
You choke them on,
Huh?
You choke people inside.
They're having a party, that's right now.
What?
Party. Party.
And then you get Auntie over here just taking out the trash and still her cans and bottles. Say hi, dog.
This dicks, dog.
I said just say hi.
Huh?
Just say hi.
Grab parts from this side. Too bad that thing not muddy. Would have been more fun.
You think so?
Yeah.
I remember the last time we keep sliding over here too.
Okay, next time we come over here, just go bring our own water. Call a fire truck. What, you gonna drive inside again? Yeah, this guy learned his lesson already. Tripain mo parang. Huh? Oh, they tight. Yeah.
You lie, you fucker. Yes, sir. Lie to me. Yeah, you.
Bro, you can grab like 5 of those. Already. Well, how's the hood prop? One catalytic converter. Huh? Still going. I don't know, this guy didn't get like 5 pairs already. Or 6. Thumbnail.
It's not the same. It's not the same. Wait, are you like eat?
Check the shoes, dog.
Fuck, now I gotta find one fucking.
Dirty's at this guy. He can grab them all. What if somebody else needed it?
Then they can ask me.
Okay, you guys ready?
So they don't need to go junkyard anymore. Just come bother me. Fuck, now I gotta find one light bulb, bulbs, and fucking.
What?
The fucking news.
Oh, it's Amazon.
Nah, I think O'Reilly had. Oh, we're not on the road, Mom. We're not on the road, Mom. Whoa!
Smash the skinny pedal.
Hey, how's it? I was just wondering if you guys get one housing for signal lights for 1994 4Runner.
Faster from my driver's side.
Both. If you guys get both the housing.
Okay, hold on.
Hey, what you asking for the housing?
Because I need the whole housing, right? My whole thing is brittle, it's cracked. They're not just gonna set up front part alone, the lens.
Never mind lights.
You need that.
Order locker is better.
No, we gotta go drop off Gary because you know like go eat lunch.
Yeah, I got a hot date. Make like.
Oh, it's fast, yo.
So that concludes today's food trip.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know, bro.
You gotta see my truck first.
Oh wait, we can see his truck first. Fuck it!
Boy weird. Boy weird. Oh, this guy like Rambo. I like break my grass. He like run over my grass.
Sorry, bro. Sorry.
Oh, sorry. That's on my truck. Okay, guys. Don't forget to
like, comment, subscribe, guys. Fortune status on top.
Boy weird. Shoots.